Today I'm gonna show you a very small and beautiful project like this. It's a homemade shell. And you're gonna love it. Alright, so stay tuned with me. Let's get started.
Didn't even get to cross.
Alright, so here I have an old drawer. It's a stand TV drawer. I have it really old. As you can see, it's dirty and messy. So I'm gonna use that to make those shelves. Okay, so I'm taking a distance of 7 inches. Alright, so I take 4 like this, so 4 pieces like 7 inches. So as you can see the mark here on my metal saw, I take that, I take 4 pieces like that. And remember guys, I'm gonna put the detail on the description below, so no worry about that. I'm gonna go fast with the video, but click on the description below to see all the details, what I use, what the measurement are and everything. Okay, so here I'm using a 120 sandpaper to sand that. And I'm also gonna use that one. It's a 220 to make it nice and smooth. So after that, I'm taking my precision square to just take the line of where I'm gonna position the shelf. So I take the line like 2 inches distance from the corner. I repeat the same thing for all 4. Cool, as you can see. First, using my bite to make the holes. It's always good to make the holes first, guys, because you don't want to break the wood, huh? So it's good to make the holes first. Repeat the same thing for all 4. Now you can put your screw in. Alright, so using again my lepage wood glue to add another secure when it's dry. It's keep it on. It's very important to add glue when you have like wood project. If you like doing some wood project and you don't want to remove it in the future, it's good to add some glue on. Drywall mud, so it's very important to use that, guys, to cover all those all all those holes, you know. Now I got my multi-tool, oscillating multi-tool, and just remove the corner of this drywall. My sander. Again, I'm using a 220 sandpaper. So yellow color, it's one of my favorite color, yellow, especially for, you know, wood project. I usually use yellow, as you can see, guys, on many of my projects. Okay, the first coat. All right, here I have 1 by 1.5 timber red arc. It's really small pieces I'm gonna use to make it a little different. All right, so and then I have to, you know, use my bit to make the holes. To nail that up. It's always good, guys, to take the measurement. I always said that the measurement is important. You make sure it's all level, all nice. See, all like that. Beautiful. Use your precision square. And this is my little hook. I'm gonna put some, you know, hanging flower there. And this project, you won't see I use them now, but I will in the future put some hanging flower, just to change the design a little bit. So all right, I have to clean all that, remove all the sand, and then now I'm gonna use my wood stainer. Yeah, it's a ebony wood stand, so it's really dark one. And then this is a gloss I'm gonna use to make it a little bit shiny, nice. You know, it's for outdoor gloss, but I'm using it for inside. It's okay. I'm getting my stud sensor to see exactly the position of the wood. Some space I won't have wood. I'm gonna use those some anchors assortment, so just to hold the screw and the drywall. It's a little decoration here, say hello love. And this is it, guys. It's been nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe this channel if you wanna if you don't wanna miss any video, because remember, I'm gonna put video every Saturday for you guys. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.